Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this amazing garlic naan with coconut milk. It is super easy, it is quick, and it is absolutely delicious. And you guys are going to definitely enjoy this one. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So here I have my flour. And the rest of the ingredients that I'm adding to the flour will be in the description box. We're going to whisk that together. We're going to add our curd. Now here you can use plain yogurt, and that is just fine. Now I'm going in with my coconut milk. And you are going to pull this dough together. Add a little bit of oil and continue kneading until the dough is nice and smooth. And I did set this aside for about 5 minutes, and now I'm putting it on a nice clean surface. And we are going to cut this dough into equal pieces. Now you can decide how big or how small you want to have your naan bread. And this is super easy. If you guys have not yet subscribed and you're watching this video for the first time, I'm sure you guys can find something on this channel you're gonna love. All right, so if you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, share, and comment on this video. You can also let me know where you're watching this video from. Alright, so now we are going to roll our naan bread. Now I would have already preheated my pan. I add a little bit of butter. Again, you can roll this to your desired shape and size. Alright, you're going to cook for about 2 to 2.5 minutes on each side. And this was the first one, and it was done. It came out and it just disappeared. We were that hungry, yes. And this is the second one. I decided to change the shape of this one. You're gonna flip it after about 2 to 2.5 minutes. Make sure your heat is in low. And you can melt some butter, and I'm using salted butter and parsley, and gently or lightly brush that over. And serve with whatever sauce you want to serve this with. All right, and that is it, guys. If you guys again are new here and have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.